We run into a lot of roadblocks looking to buy homes creatively, and sometimes our sellers can't get on the same page where maybe a husband or a wife owned the house before marriage, the two get married and they've lived in the house for a long time. If you're in a community property estate, there could be a merger of the separate estate and community estate, and the house becomes community property. But now one party wants to sell, one maybe doesn't. What do? You can either have one spouse or the other deed to their spouse and buy it from that one particular person subject to. If you can only get one person to agree to sell, that creates a problem. You can only acquire half interest in the property by getting a deed from one spouse or the other. And you really need to get that second one if possible, because if you can't get that second one, you're going to be stuck into a litigation process called a partition in order to do a forcible sale of the property. Now, normally if you go to that extent, you can convince the other spouse to execute that deed, but not always.